Hi, I'm Coach Natalie, and today I'm giving modifications for all of the exercises done on my program on tonal, Building Basics, for day 3. This is the warm-up portion of the workout. The first exercise are alternating lunges with arm circles. You can modify this by doing a staggered stance, just stepping forward with a slight bend in your knee. And then you can add in the arm circles if you want, or you can march in place and do the arm circles here. The next exercise is a squat with an overhead press. You can use the bench to sit on. You can straddle it or you can sit back on it. So you can sit down, raise your arms, bring them back down, and then stand up. If you want an added challenge, stand up with the arms up, bring them back down, sit, arms up, stand up. From the side it looks like this. Sit down, arms come up, or again, you can just do the squat, tap your butt down, and stand back up. Next up is a bar shoulder roll. This one can be really challenging if you are not used to shoulder flexibility. So the original exercise is an up and over here. If you're not able to get it fully behind you, you can bring it up as high as you can. Whenever you hit a sticky spot, gently press into that sticky spot and then bring it back down. And gently try to work your way deeper into that sticky spot as you go through the warm-up. You want to keep your elbows straight the whole time. Also, don't let your rib cage flare out like this. Keep the spine neutral. Another option, if you don't want to try it with the bar, but you think you could get your arms all the way up and over, try it with a yoga strap or an animal leash. Have a wider grip here, keep the elbows straight, and you can bring it up and over that way too. Again, you can work through that sticky spot, just bringing your arms up to that point. The last one in the warm-up is a rolling plank. The rolling plank is on the floor originally. We roll into a side plank or pillar bridge, back to middle plank, over to the other lateral pillar bridge. You can try this on your bench. You can do a rolling plank here. Adjust your elbow so that it faces away from you. Then bring it back to the center. Then adjust that elbow and come into a lateral pillar bridge or a side plank on your bench. The other option is you can practice hanging out here in a side plank on your bench, or you can practice doing the regular plank or a pillar bridge here on your bench. That's the warm-up portion of Building Basics Day 3, and I'll move on to the rest of the workout now.